Hey guys, I wanted to do a really quick video on how to replace a cabin air filter on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Laredo, this is a 6-cylinder. For the most part, I think it's like from 2011 up until like 2022. They're pretty much all the same. This is just a filter I picked up at my local AutoZone. But the first thing you're gonna wanna do is, I like to just like empty everything out from the glove compartment. You can open up the glove compartment, then this section over here, you're gonna just pull it a little bit, just a tiny little bit. There we go, and it pops right off. All right, I'm gonna put that down there. All right, and then you're gonna see, it's kind of hard to see actually, but right here on the left side, there's a little clip. Boop. You just kind of pop it out. And you can't see it because my hand is huge, but you're gonna pop that out. There we go. Popped it out. Put it down here with all the stuff. All right. So pay attention to this. The arrow is pointing down. Okay? Arrow is pointing down. So it's actually, you probably want to have like a little screwdriver or something to take it out, but I'm kind of juggling this phone here. All right. Whew. So, very dirty. Very dirty. So, we're going to line these guys out. Okay. Gonna grab the new one again, so it's facing down, and you're gonna slide it in. It's a little bit tough with one hand, but still not that hard. All right, new filter. This is the part where honestly it was a little bit tricky, because you want to find the placement. So, okay, a lot of trial and error there, but as you can see, it's secured inside, right there. All right. Next step is we're gonna slide this guy in here. Kind of want to do it from the side here. Right. Whoops, sorry guys. But yeah, I was like sliding it from the side like this. There we go. There you go. It has been replaced. That's the old one. That's the brand that I use. So I just got it at the local AutoZone. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed.